Did you know the Eurasian sparrowhawk can navigate through dense forests at high speeds? This small but fierce bird of prey is a true woodland hunter, known for its remarkable agility and swift surprise attacks. With its sharp talons and keen eyesight, it preys primarily on smaller birds, making it a skilled and adaptable hunter. The Eurasian sparrowhawk's mating rituals and nesting behaviors are equally fascinating, reflecting the intricate balance of nature. Join us as we explore the life of the Eurasian sparrowhawk, the 11th feature in our Birds of Prey series. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating wildlife insights, and stay tuned for a glimpse into our next featured raptor.